Today I'm riding my bicycle. I'm going to a town. It is a nice day. The weather is good. I'm very happy. Now I am near a canal. I see boats on the water. There are yachts and small ships. I like the canal. It is very beautiful. The yachts are white and nice. They are moving slowly. Some boats are very clean and modern. They look new and nice. Some yachts have blue details. Some yachts have windows. Some people are on the boats. They are sailing on the water. The sun is shining on the water. Everything looks peaceful. I'm walking on a path. The path goes to the boats. The path is near the canal. It is a nice and quiet place. I'm walking slowly. I look around me. The boats are in the front of me. I'm going to the boats. The path is so long but easy. I like walking here. I continue my way to the town. Now I'm walking on an old street. The street is very beautiful. The buildings are very old. They are from the 17th century. The architecture is very nice. I see old houses and details on the walls. The street is quiet. There are not many people. The buildings are tall and narrow. Some windows are small. I like this old street very much. It feels special here. I'm walking slowly and looking around. Everything looks historical and beautiful. I see old doors and windows. The walls are made from the stone and bricks. Some houses have decorations. The details are very interesting. The street is narrow. I walk slowly. I look up at the buildings. They are very tall. I feel like I'm in history. People here have gardens near their houses. The gardens are very beautiful. I see flowers in many colors. They are red, pink, and yellow flowers. Now I'm near a bridge. The bridge is over the canal. It is a special bridge. It is a drawbridge. Sometimes the bridge opens. Boats can pass under it. I am walking across the bridge. I am going slowly. I look at the water below. The water is calm and blue. The bridge is old and beautiful. It is part of the town. I am continuing my trip. I am riding my bicycle again. The road is nice and quiet. I go forward slowly. I see the town around me. There are old buildings and new buildings. I see trees and small streets. The town is very beautiful. The weather is good. The sun is shining. I feel happy and calm. I like this trip and continue my way through this town. I am walking down the path. The path goes down. It is a small hill. I walk slowly and carefully. I see trees on both sides. Some people are on the boats. They are sailing on the water. I'm riding my bicycle through a field. The field is big and open. I see green grass everywhere. It is beautiful. I see sheep in the field. There are many sheep. The sheep are white and soft. They look very cute. They are eating grass. They are grazing in the field. Some sheep are standing. Some sheep are walking slowly. The sheep are calm. They're not afraid. I try to feed a sheep, but the sheep runs away. Then I see cows. There are many cows in the field. Some cows are brown and white. Some cows are black. They are big and calm. They stand on the grass. The cows are eating grass. I feed the cows grass. I have grass in my hand. The cows come closer. They are big. One cow eats the grass. It eats slowly. The other cows are watching. They're not afraid. They look strong and gently. I'm happy. Goodbye, cows. Then I find a trampoline in the field. The field is big and green. The trampoline is alone. I go to it. I start jumping. I jump up and down. It's very fun. Then I see old tractors. They are rusty. Some tractors are red and green. The paint is old and faded. They are not walking now. They are standing still. I arrive in the town. Now I go to the park. The park is not far. The park is very beautiful. I see green bushes. They are big and soft. There are many trees. The trees are tall and green. The nature is very nice. Everything is calm here. Now I ride through the statues. They look like people. Park is very green. There are many trees. The trees are tall and strong. Their leaves are green. I see many bushes. They are soft and round. There are flowers in the park. They're red, yellow and pink. The grass is green and fresh. It is soft under my feet. There is a lake in the park. The water is clean and calm. fountain in the park. The water is moving. It goes up and down. I stand and look at the fountain. It is very relaxing. I love this place. There are many trees and flowers. I see green bushes and grass. Everything looks fresh and clean. I am walking on a small wooden bridge. The bridge is made of wood. I walk slowly. I see purple flowers. They are very big. I go closer to the flower. I bend down a little. I smell the flowers. They smell very nice. People are sitting near it. They are enjoying the park. I'm riding my bicycle in the park. The park is very big. I go slowly on the path. The path is smooth. I see a waterfall. It is very beautiful. The water is falling down. It makes a strong sound. I sit near the waterfall. I'm very close to it. The water is cold and fresh. It moves very fast. I continue my trip. I go to the mini zoo. The place is green and nature. I am in the mini zoo. I see deer. The deer are in the big area. It's like a small forest. The deer are brown. They are very beautiful. They have long legs and big eyes. They look calm and gently. Some deer are eating grass, some deer are standing, some deer are walking slowly. They're not afraid. I watch the deer. They're very nice animals. I like them very much. I feed the deer grass. I have grass in my hand. The deer come closer. They're careful but calm. One deer eats the grass. It eats slowly. The other deer are watching. They are standing near me. The deer are brown and beautiful. They have big eyes. They're not afraid. They're very gently. I like feeding the deer. It is a nice moment in the mini zoo. I see a black swan. I have never seen a black swan before. It's my first time. I'm closer to it with my camera. The swan comes closer. It tries to bite my camera. I am surprised. I'm picking grass. I pull the grass from the ground. The grass is green and fresh. It is soft in my hands. I collect more grass. I want to feed the deer. Many beautiful animals live there, but my favorite animals are the deer. They have brown fur and long legs. The deer are very quiet and friendly. They like to walk around their green enclosure. They eat green grass, fresh leaves and vegetables. Children love to watch them because they are very graceful. I see geese. They are walking on the road. They are crossing the road slowly. I ride my bicycle in the park again. I enjoy the nature. Everything is green. I see trees and flowers. The park is very calm. I ride near the lake. The water is still. I feel the fresh air. It's very nice. Now I'm in the evening town. There are many people, there are many cars. The streets are busy, everything is moving. I see beautiful architecture. The buildings are old and new. I'm walking and looking around. I enjoy the view. I see a church. It is in the town. It is old and big. The church looks peaceful. At the end of my trip, I see a carousel. It's moving round and round. People are riding on it. They're smiling and happy. I'm going home. My trip is finished. It was a wonderful day. I'm very happy. I saw many places. I saw the canal, the park, and the town. I saw animals and nature. Everything was beautiful.